Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back to one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix if the Chromecast option is missing from your Google Chrome browser. So how to get back it on your toolbar menu in your browser. Now in this video I'm going to show you. So when you're facing this type of problem, so first you need to close your browser and restart your PC one time. After restarting, open your browser and check your issue was solved or not. So what happened guys, in some time you can get this Chromecast icon in the three dots menu. Just click on three dots. Here you can get the save or share option. From here you can also able to access that Chromecast. Okay, in case still you're facing this type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now you need to update your browser. To update the browser, go to help section of your browser and go to about, and here you can get the option to update your browser, and then check if the Chromecast icon is showing or not. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now you need to disable the third-party extension from your browser. If you are using any extension on your browser, just you need to disable the extension from your browser. Go to extension section and you can also remove it, or if you don't want to remove it, just you need to disable it temporary. Okay, like this, and then check your problem was solved or not. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now you need to reset your browser setting. To reset the browser setting, go to settings, and from the left panel you can get the option reset settings. Just click on it, and here you can get the option to reset your browser setting, restore setting to their original default. Just click on it and reset it. Okay, afterwards guys, it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix the Chromecast icon is missing from your browser. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.